Dear students, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. I am your PT teacher Lakshmi ma'am, and today we are going to do body balance activity. Activity which is focused on your body balance. Body balance is the ability to maintain or control your body position during the task performance, such as walking, running, jumping on one leg, or jumping over the hurdles, etc. So, having a good body balance, it will allow you to move easier or it reduce the chances of injuries. So, let's start with our first activity, one leg balance. So, what you will do, just stand on one leg, shift your body weight towards your right leg and hands by the side like this. Hold this position as much as you can. If you want to make this activity a little bit easier, you can take support like this. Or if you want to make this activity a little bit difficult, you just close your eyes and try to do this. Same thing we will do the other side also. As your balance increases, just increase your repetition also. 10 to 20 seconds. Just hold this position. Done. Now, second activity is flying bird. So, what you will do? Lift your leg back and make a T shape. So, lift your leg back and arms by the side. Just bend forward. Slowly. And forward. If you want to make this activity little bit difficult, just swing your arms like this, down on side, or forward and back. Do it as much as you can. Same thing we will do with the other side also. Make a T shape, go down. If you want to hold this position, you have to hold this position like this, or here, if you are comfortable, just do it like this or like this also. Done. Now, third activity is stand on one leg and touch down. So, what you will do? Here I am using a bottle. See, for this activity, if you want to make it easier, you can take a taller object in front of you, or if you want to make this activity a little bit difficult, you can take smaller object in front of you. So, let's start how to do. Just stand on one leg and by the side, and up, and just go try to touch like this. 1, 2, and 3. Done. Same thing we will do with the other side also. As your balance increases, you can increase your count also. 1, straight. 2, and 3. Done. Now, fourth activity is ABC balance. So, what you will do in this activity, you will write alphabet to your feet. So, and by the side, you will write A, B, and C. To make this activity a little bit easier, do the movement slowly, like this. Or if you want to make this activity a little bit difficult, make the bigger movement with your leg. A, B, lift your leg up, and C. Do it as much as you can with the legs, alternate. As your balance increase your repetition. Do it with the other leg. A, B, and C. Done. Now, next activity is ball touch down. So, here I am using softball. You can use football or basketball. You can choose any one of them. Softball, basketball or football or any ball. So, let's start. If you want to make this activity little bit easier, you will touch just go down and touch your knee. If you want to make this activity little bit difficult, go down and touch the floor like this and do it as much as you can. So, let's start. A easier one, do like this. You will touch your knee. Or difficult one, you have to go down and touch the floor like this. 1, 2. Same thing we will do with the other leg also. Easier one, touch the knee. You can increase your count as you are comfortable. 1, 2. Done. Now, next one is one leg catches. So, you have to toss up and catch your ball. You will stand on one leg like this and you will toss your ball and catch it like this. Or if you want to make this activity little bit easier, toss your ball little less. Do not toss your ball little higher. And if you want to make this activity little bit difficult, toss your ball higher. So let's start. Stand on one leg and just do it as much as you can, or you can do it if you want to difficult one. Just hold your ball with one hand like this. Same thing we will do with the other side also. You can start with both hand catches and then as your balance increased, you can just try to catch your ball with one hand also. So let's start with the other side also. 1, 2 and 3. Now same thing we will do with the one hand catch. 1, 2 and 3. Now last one, wrapping. So what you will do, you will rotate your ball from the waist level like this, or thighs, or ankle, neck like this. Same thing we will do with the other side also. Change your leg. Waist part, we have to rotate our ball like this, or you can do the clock and anti-clock also. So clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Same thing we will do with the thigh part also. Clock or anti-clock. Now neck. Now anti-clock also. Done. I hope you will do this activity. Take care, children. Be safe. Bye.